Unboxing. Oh, you have to get that. Sweet little beanie. Hello, you. Next up, JS Health Vitamins. We have Hair and Energy JS Health. Package number 3. What is this? Clothing. Oh, yeah. It's a little dress. Awesome. Put it on. Ooh, it's a nice little jacket. Feels like Christmas morning every time I check my mailbox or anywhere outside. And it says, found some little fistars or whatever you call them, like for 5-year-olds. Yeah, these them. Sealed in there. Oh. Look how cute. It's a little sweater. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It reminds me of the beach. So beachy. Look at the packaging. I love it. Here we have Pacifica Future Youth Gravity Rebound. Visibility, target, fine lines, and add firmness. Love it. I think this is the whole set, guys, that you've used together. Glow Baby Booster Serum. Yes. Yes, girl. We can all use them facial products, especially at this age. Then we got reusable mask brow, vacuum seal lifting effect. It's supposed to help your eyebrows lift. Oh. And we got a little baby package right here. This is Clean It Zero. Facial cleaner. Last but not least, Wavy Talk hair dryer. I'm excited about this one.